This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials: the personal ad account ID and the Facebook profile with admin rights. Open Business Manager and add your business details so permissions can transfer cleanly. This avoids future lockouts. Next, make sure your payment method and tax settings are ready because ad billing moves with the account. Once done, navigate to Business Settings. We'll request the ad account move there. This is the first actionable step to start the migration. You now request the ad account inside Business Manager. Go to Accounts, Ad Accounts, and choose Add, then request access or claim. Enter the personal ad account ID and select the role to assign. Admin gives full control. Advertiser limits billing access. After submitting, monitor the original personal account for the approval prompt. If you manage both profiles, approve immediately. If approval is required from another person, follow up quickly. So as you finish by confirming the ad account appears under Business Manager and reassigning page and pixel permissions to required employees. Update billing details inside Business Settings to ensure future charges go to the correct method. Then run a small test campaign to verify delivery, conversion tracking, and billing flow. If things go wrong, check that business verification is complete, duplicate admin access exists, and that no outstanding invoices block transfer. If needed, escalate to platform support with both account ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.